Hello and welcome to ThaiDirectory, your website to find the best places in and around Thailand. To register your business, click in the top right corner onto login/register. Type in your email address and the password you will remember. After you've been registered, you just can log in with your username or your email address and your password. Once you're logged in, you will see in the top right corner, create a listing. If you click on it, you will get into your dashboard where you see all the businesses you have already listed at our Thailand directory. Click onto account details to fill in all your personal information or to change your password. If you click on addresses, you can put in your address details or your billing and shipping details. If you click on subscriptions, you can see all your valid or pending subscriptions, check next payments and any other information you need. Go back to my listings. Choose the type of listing you would like to create, for example like resort. Click on submit. Here you can select the package. If you don't have a paid premium package, you just can click on the red button on the right side, get a new package. Here you will see an overview of our packages. But let's get back to the free listing. Type in the name of your business, for example, Mövenpick Resort, Bang Tao Beach in Phuket. The short description will give an information in 1 or 2 sentences about your business. For example, the Mövenpick Resort is located at the beautiful Bang Tao Beach. Next step is add a picture to your business listing. Click on Add Media and choose a picture or upload a picture. You can upload it here in this window via drag and drop, or you just search it on upload files. Repeat this later for your featured images, or you can even add pictures categorized to your needs. For example, pictures of the pool, the beach area, restaurant and other things. In case you subscribed for a premium package starting from 3,000 Thai baht, you can add 2 YouTube videos. With the premium 360 package, you can even add a 3rd video. Put in now your email address and your contact details, like address and other informations which are necessary to find your place. Please copy your address from Google Maps, because this has been a confirmed address by Google. Contact details for the premium package. Put in a price description which tells like seasonal prices for your rooms. You can also use a contact form in your business listing. Please put in your email address you want to use for this case, so that the customer can send you a message straight from our website. You can also add your social media profiles, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and other IDs. Use an FAQ in your business listing to ask frequently asked questions, like non-smoking rooms available. Follow up the next steps to fulfill your profile. room categories, amenities, and more information regarding to your business needs. These are the first steps to list your business at ThaiDirectory. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have questions, get in touch with us anytime. ขอบคุณมากครับ. Thank you very much.